So the reason I decided to make this video was normally I would take the car to the car wash. You know, the drive-throughs with all the vacs and stuff and pay them. But I'm trying to get exercise, right? So why not wash it myself? I've done that before. No need to be lazy. And the car is pretty dirty. We've been getting a lot of snow with the salt on the road. Nasty car, nasty car. So why not clean it up? Got my cat help. Car dirty. But yeah, it'll take me about an hour or so, and that'd be a good little workout, I guess. You see all the road salt? Lots of road salt. So why not clean the car up myself instead of paying somebody else to do it? Save money and get some exercise and get some much needed sunlight. Lots of road salt because we've gotten a little snow. But let's get busy. Car is dirty. I got my bucket, my soap, my cleaning agents, and of course, a brush. So let's get busy. So I've been at it for about half an hour now, and I think it's worth it. Go outside, get some sunlight, which I don't get much of during the week. Clean the car, save some money. And with all the snow we've had this winter and the road salt, it's important you get all up in there. Sunlight, exercise, being outside. Whereas before, it was no sunlight, paying somebody else to do it, and not being really happy with the results. So now I got nobody to blame but myself. So you're good all the way around. All part of the big objective of getting outside, getting exercise, saving money, do something yourself, you know, change your own oil, stuff like that. Do your own brakes if you know how. All that stuff. It's real important to get this road sawed off. They laid it on thick, as they do all the time. It'll rot a car out so fast. All of that. All up in the wheel wells. Getting your vitamin D from the sun. Getting some color back. It's going to be in the upper 50s today, but I don't know if it's going to make it or not. At least the sun's out. The sky isn't full of airplane clouds, I call them. Rinse the salt out of your wheel wells as best you can. And you can see it coming out of there too, because it gets caked up. Yummy. All up in there, as far back as you can. I wish I had a lift to put it on, but don't. All right. Now let's do some drying. The wash is done. Still at it, about a daggone hour into it. And since I got some old car wax, might as well do that too. Make it a productive day, right? Does everybody go to those car washes where they offer like $500 will wash your car as much as you want or whatever. Free vacuum. They offer those in the city. Or would you rather get outside and do it yourself? I guess it depends on how much time you have and all that stuff. Starting to get warm now. I believe it might hit 60 today in the Great Commonwealth. I'm still learning how to edit videos. The road salt is in everything. Keep wiping a few more minutes and then start waxing. It took me a couple hours, but I got some good exercise washing and waxing and vacuuming out the car and all that good stuff, and I think I got it almost as clean as you'd get it clean when you're going to those car wash places. And all the salt is gone. I got the inside pretty clean as well. And I got out the house. That was the important thing. Get out of the house. Do stuff that you'd normally pay somebody to do, or one of those services. So I feel good about it. Clean inside and out. Shazam. And that's how you get some good exercise. Well, I don't know about that, but I did break a sweat because I almost hit 60 degrees today. At any rate, it's clean. I can ride up the road until the next nastiness hits.